Now, in order for this section to make sense, we do require n to be greater than or equal to 30. So what we need is 30 numbers entered in our calculator. If you look under stats, the first item is edit. Push enter. What it allows you to do is it gets you to an L1 where you can enter all 30 values that are given to you in the book on page 376. If you'd like to follow through this example with me, you can pause the video and enter all of the numbers as I either scroll down, or you can look those up in under page 376. All right, so there's the bottom. Those of you who didn't catch that. Now, what I need to do is after you've entered all of your numbers in an L1, you want to quit this menu because you don't want to work in this menu, you want to work in here, and push stats again. You're going to go over to test. The 7-1 is the Z interval formula. So every time we're doing all of the problems in 7-1, we're going to be pushing, in my case, 7 for the Z interval. Except then I don't have any stats. I have a data. So I'm going to push on data. And all it's really asking me is what was the standard deviation of the population that is given to you within the problem. So this is where you're going to type in 14.45. And where is your data? L1. Keep frequency at 1 and change your confidence level to 0.90 because that's what they asked for. When you push calculate, all it does is just giving you an interval. Please note that at this point, the answers in the back of a book will be different in about third and fourth significant digit. So be careful. What we're interested in is be able to write this interval down and the sentence that comes after it. I'll actually read the one that's in the book because this sentence is pretty good. They say, hence, one can be 90% confident that the population mean of the assets of all credit unions is between 6.752. They have 752. We have 6.76. If you want more decimal places, put 6.7647 millions and 15.417 millions of dollars based on a sample of 30 credit unions. So you can use the sentences that are in the book. You can come up with your own sentences, but you should be using your calculator in order to find the intervals. Now you can try maybe at least once, see how that formula comes out for you, but especially on a test, I am expecting that you're using a calculator.